Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M53 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find sounds and vibration. As you can see, they should be on the second position, not third position. And the second section is actually connected with the ringtone and overall to the sounds. So we can change the ringtone for calls, for the notifications and the system sound. So let me show you how to do it using the ringtone and the phone ringtone. And as you can see, after tapping on it, we've been transferred to the full list of all defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, at the very top of this list, we've got the silent option, which simply means that after picking it, your device will not notify you about the incoming call using the sound feedback, because of course you will be able to see it, but it will not use any ringtone. And what I wanted to say, that here in the right upper corner you've got this plus icon, which simply means that after tapping on it you will be transferred to your own files. So for example, if you will have any kind of downloaded or recorded, then they will appear right here in some kind of in one of those options, and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back to the default installed ones, and if you'd like to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to hear how it sounds. Let me volume it down a little bit. So basically, if you're happy with your choice, for example this one, just make sure that it is marked and simply tap on back. And as you can see, right now it is notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone in order to notify you about the incoming call. So actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your Samsung Galaxy M53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.